Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you need to find your iPhone's IMEI number? Whether it's for support, unlocking your phone, or just being prepared, I'll guide you through a few simple methods to locate it. Let's get started. The first step is to check your settings app. Go to Settings, then you click on General, then About. Scroll down to find the IMEI number. You can long press it to copy it. Another option is to look on the device body. For iPhones with removable SIM trays, eject the SIM card tray using a pin or paper clip. The IMEI number is printed on the tray. On older models, the IMEI number is engraved on the back of the phone. Another option is to dial a shortcut code. Open the phone app on your phone and dial *#06#. Your IMEI number will appear instantly on the screen. Another step is to check your Apple ID account. Go to Settings and then you tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID. Scroll down to see a list of devices associated with your account. Select your iPhone and the IMEI number will be listed. You can also find it on the original box. If you still have your iPhone's box, check the barcode sticker. The IMEI is printed next to the serial number. And that's how you find your iPhone IMEI number. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.